Congratulations, Dad, on 30,000 points, and you're the best.
Congratulations, Dad, on 30,000 points. I'm proud of you, but you know I taught you well.
Congratulations, Daddy. I love you.
Congratulations, my love, on being the youngest NBA player to score 30,000 points in your career. I am so proud of you, beyond proud. I know the work that you put in and day out to be able to work at this high level, and I'm so proud of you. I hope that you are also proud of this moment. It's a huge milestone for you, and you should celebrate yourself and be very proud of yourself. And we love you, and keep doing what you do because you got it.
Second place, brought to you by your ticket to Confederation. The San Antonio Spurs would like to congratulate Cleveland's Lebron James of Richie, the 30,000 career points milestone. The largest first-time player in NBA history to reach this mark. 20, Lebron James, Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan, Will Chamberlain, and Eric Nowitzki.